I love coming to the office every morning knowing that today I get to help these agents in this office help millions of Americans in the United States. I'm Ron, the Divisional Sales Leader of the Miami and the Kentucky office. There's never been a better time to be in the health insurance industry, and seeing all these agents here in this office today just confirms that. Many people out there are so confused with their health insurance options, and all we simply do is we help them navigate the industry. We help them figure out what options are available to them and the ones that are most affordable and long-term options.
Before I joined U.S. Health Advisors, I was co-CEO of one of the largest hospitality companies in the Caribbean, and we did really well, made a lot of money. And then in 2017, we had back-to-back Category 5 hurricanes, and I lost everything overnight. This company saved my life financially.
I joined the company a bit over a year ago, and I was very skeptical in the beginning. I didn't know how to sell in this industry. I've never done anything like healthcare before. And I was shocked that in 6 months, I was making more money than I used to make before in my previous job.
You don't need any training or any specific education or background. All you need is a desire to succeed, be self-motivated, coachable, and follow the system. The training system we have here has proven to work. All you have to do is follow the process, and if you do that, you're going to have success.
Our team's success is our success. We're constantly helping each other. The culture within this company is absolutely amazing, which explains why it's one of the fastest growing companies in the United States.
Our agents see real results. The next thing you know, they bring their friends, their family on board to work with us as well. And here we are now, 2 years later, 90 contracted agents and growing.
There's no question whether you can succeed here or not. If you're motivated, determined, and have an amazing work ethic, you can be very, very successful here at U.S. Health Advisors.
I really like the fact that you can grow with this company. You can get promoted based on merit. I started less than 2 years ago, and I was just a regular agent, and I was promoted to field training agent. Now I actually oversee agents. I help them grow, I teach them, I train them, I see all the things that they're actually accomplishing, and it's a phenomenal feeling. The fact that you're helping these people grow with this company, it's phenomenal.
It's an amazing feeling leaving this office every single night, knowing that I achieve my goals, knowing that I help my agents achieve their goals, knowing that we help millions of Americans with their health coverage options.